Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this compact dehumidifier that this brand sent to me for the video that got me surprised for two features. Number one, that comes with an kind of like an emptying hose, so you can actually connect this one on the back and put it, let's say, on a sink, or if you're in your bedroom, you can put it in a pan or something like that, and you don't have to worry about this one filling in and turn it off if you want to leave it on, because this one, it will turn off whenever this tank, which holds 60 ounces, gets full. Which, by the way, I can see a little bit of water. I've been kind of like trying it out for the past 4 days, I want to say, and it works really good. I have to say that it works really good. But the hose, yeah, this one got me surprised a little bit, just because you don't have to worry about like emptying the tank over here on the back. And also, the other thing that surprised me a little bit is that how quiet it gets when you put it in a sleep mode. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but you basically have the on and off button. You have a light mode just to select which light you like the most with the RGB lights or something like that. But then it also has a night mode, which is going to turn off the lights and get super quiet. That was not something that I was expecting. You're gonna get the filters right here on the sides, which they go inside, of course, but you can just move these parts over here. But now I'm gonna just stop talking and show it to you in a closer look. So super easy, as I was telling you before, the hose goes in the back if you want to connect it. You don't have to if you don't want to, because as I was just telling you, it turns off automatically when it gets like full. Then you have the turn on button. So this one is on already, and you're gonna see a few lights over here. I'm actually gonna turn off the lights right now. So you can see the lights over here, and whether you want one of these colors, you can just hit this button over here and it will stop on that color over there. I have to say that it's quiet already with the regular on, but then you can put the night mode. It's gonna turn off the lights, and it gets super quiet. I'm not joking, it gets really quiet. But then you can turn off that one, and then you can get the lights to cycle again in whatever color you want, for sure. So this one is good up to 800 square feet. It also has the hose for emptying the tank if you don't want to do it manually, and then also the sleep mode, the RGBs, and super quiet with a 60 ounces tank. I like it. I do recommend this one. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.